Right now, let's go into the topic. Let's explain the grades of the labeling system of this device. First of all, as you can see here, there are indicators here of hypertension. And what does it mean? We have optimal range, we have normal range, we have hypertension in grade 1, hypertension in grade 2, hypertension in grade 3. And then also we have the systole and diastole indicator, and we have time and date, and we have pulse per minute, and we have the memory button and the set button and start and also stop button. So